Do you collect Czech decor, or maybe you like whimsy pieces or unique one-of-a-kind home decor items? If so, you've come to the right place. I'm Jeanette, and this is the Crafty Hobbit channel. When I saw this clock styled as a vintage telephone, it was so unique. I'd never seen anything like it. I knew I had to get it for the shop. This piece is going to look amazing on your mantle, maybe on your sofa table, maybe on a bedside table as well. It's hand painted with the black and white Czech decor around the body, and then you're going to find that the black trim work is trimmed out with a vintage gold color. Now the crank on the side is a simulated crank. It doesn't move, but it's true to form for the old-timey style phones. And then of course you have the twisted wire cord, and then the elegant headset setting on the top. It does not remove, but it's all one solid piece. This is metal, completely metal, and it does operate on one AA battery. So you have this elegant vintage phone style with this cute, whimsical numbers on the face of the clock that just tie it all together and make it truly a unique piece. It's available in the shop now. The link is in the description below. And if you want to see more items that are available, subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell. Thank you so much for stopping by. I'll see you on the next one.